Now, former Secretary of Defense Hemasiri Fernando and Inspector General of Police Pujith Jayasundara, who has been sent on compulsory leave, were released on bail today. The suspects were released with a surety of 500,000 rupees each, citing that enough evidence has not been presented to prove the charges, including aiding and abetting in committing manslaughter.
Several criminal charges, including absconding from duties and aiding and abetting in committing manslaughter under the Penal Code, were filed against the former Defence Secretary and the IGP. When the case was taken up today, Colombo Chief Magistrate Lanka said enough evidence has not been presented to prove the charges under Article 296 of the Penal Code. The magistrate added that Pujith Jayasundara is a qualified officer and admitted that he had not acted in an optimal level with regard to the April 21st attacks. She added that the charge of unintentional manslaughter filed under Article 298 and the charge of murder under Article 296 is contradicting. The magistrate was of the stance that a consensus should be reached to agree on one charge. The magistrate says it is clear that the charges have been filed without conducting a proper investigation and that it is clear by the fact that even statements have not been recorded. The magistrate added that it is evident from the previous verdicts that the court should not act to please the investigators. Meanwhile, the chief magistrate said it is unfair to arrest suspects for absconding duties even after the presidential committee has asked to conduct an investigation based on criminal legal code of conduct. She instructed the suspects to provide a statement to the Criminal Investigations Department after their medical treatments are completed. The Chief Magistrate also instructed the Registrar to obtain signatures from the suspects at the National Hospital and the Police Hospital. She further ordered to provide a progress report on investigations on the 22nd of this month.